What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to make a simple FM transmitter. So this is the circuit diagram. So you will need two 10 kilo ohm resistors, uh, 1k resistor and 47 kilo ohm resistor. Also you will need an audio jack, uh, 10 microfarad capacitor. uh, so it should be electrolytic like this one, and 0.01 microfarad. Also you can buy it uh, as 103, uh, and 2N2222 transistor. I'm using this one. You can use the black color one. And a variable capacitor. This one I took from a radio circuit board. And a 22 picofarads capacitor, which is this one. A 0.1 microhenry inductor. I am using this copper coil. You can wrap a copper wire uh, around a pen or a pencil, 5 turns, and there you have a coil. So also we will need a 0.1 microfarads, also known as 104 capacitor. I'm using this one. So also you will need this audio jack. The audio jack will take the audio signal from the mobile phone, and it will feed the audio signal into the circuit. The generated audio signal from the phone comes to here, and it will be received by the base, filtered by this 10 microfarads capacitor, and this will act as our amplifier. And this is the oscillator part, and here is our antenna. So the uh, oscillation signal will generate signal around 20 to 10 to 20 megahertz oscillating frequency sine wave, and the audio signal will be encoded to this sine wave, and it will be transmitted by this antenna. And this 0.1 microfarad capacitor is for filtering and smoothing. uh, Take note, if you put your hand over the circuit while it's running, the frequency may will change, and the radio will start uh, broadcasting some different channels, and your channel will go away. So when you are making the circuit, you can cover it up, or just don't put your hand over it. So let's build it. These are all the components that you will need, and I'm going to assemble it on a prototyping board. First you will have to make these ground and supply lines, and you can connect the components to these rails. So I have all the things set up right here. I also wanted to tell you, I didn't have a variable capacitor of exactly uh, 40 picofarads. So what I did was I added a 39 fixed capacitor to here, 39 picofarads. So let me show you. It's right here. So, and if you face any problems with connecting the radio channel, try changing the capacitor. So this is the inductor, so this is the transistor, and this is the antenna. So I have connected it to the power supply. So I'm supplying 8.5 volts, and here it says 0 amps, but it draws some amount of current, but it's not that much, so this module can't detect the amperes. And here I have the radio, and I'm going to right from here and turn on. Right, then I'm going to play this sound. So now the audio is provided. So let's on. Now that's our audio signal. By the way, if you put your hand over it, the frequency will drift and the sound will change. It's very clear. You can see it's in FM mode. So thanks for watching this video, guys, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.